All right, guys, this is what happens when I start it. I've already given it 10 seconds for the fuel pump to prime. Let's go ahead and see. All right, that's not so bad right now. But the guy says that it's only running on like a couple cylinders or some shit. It sounds like a Subaru. So we're gonna have to take a look at it, you know? Let's go ahead and take a look, guys. Let me pause the video. Alright, so here it is right here. Let me know if you guys hear anything, if anything seems off. Let me know, guys. And I'll try to get the laptop out, get some more diagnostics.